Welcome. In today's video, discover how to enable location permission on the Instagram app for PC, following the latest update. If you want to tag your favorite places in posts or stories, or simply let Instagram suggest nearby locations, this quick guide will walk you through every step. First, make sure you have the Instagram app open on your PC. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of the page. You'll see 3 dots. These are your gateway to more options. Click on the 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select App Info. This will take you directly to the app's information page, where you can adjust various settings related to Instagram's performance and permissions on your device. Next, you'll want to enter the Settings section. Look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. Here, you'll find all the permissions Instagram can request on your PC, including access to your location. Scroll until you find the location option. This is the key to unlocking Instagram's location features. Click on Location to open its settings. You'll see a toggle or a list of options for how Instagram can use your location data. To enable location permission, switch the toggle to On, or select Allow, depending on your system's interface. Once enabled, Instagram will be able to access your location while you're using the app. This means you can now add locations to your posts, let friends know where you are, and discover new places nearby, all from your PC.